Look what we have here. I've been putting my mids and high upgrades on hold for the longest. I've been focusing on my bass, and I just been like not even minding my mids and highs. I am embarrassed to say this, but I'm basically running factory mids and highs in my truck, and it is terrible. The bass, like, you can't hear the highs at all when the bass is turned up, to be honest with you. But anyways, let's get the unboxing. Got the Alphard audio, Bonce, Machetes. Come with the menu. Let me see. All Russian. No English. Can't read anything in here. But let's get to the good stuff. These are like their not their top of the line, you know, mid. Damn, it's hard to hold this freaking phone, but it still gets pretty nasty. Got a little air vent back there. You know, I'm getting these just to overpower the bass, because mids and highs kind of hurt my ears. You know, loud mids and highs hurt my ears very badly. Like I said over and over again, the mids and highs the one that do damage to your ears, not the subs, and my ears are very sensitive to mids and highs, so I'm not going too crazy, you know. I'm gonna do 4 of these and some soft dome tweeters, and that should be it for mids highs. Oh, and then get the amp for them. I don't know what kind of amp I'm gonna get for the mids highs yet, but finally I'm doing something to my mids and highs. I've been like freaking putting them off for the longest. It's very embarrassing, but I'm going to show you what I had running for my mids and highs in my truck. Keep in mind, I have 218s doing over a 150 dB, and I'm running these as my mids and highs. Yes, that is a magnet. And I torqued the saw parts, and I misplaced the saw parts. I wish I could show you the saw parts and how tiny the coil was, but this was what I was running for my mids and highs. I couldn't hear crap when my subs was playing. I mean, this is pitiful. I was showing my subs and the bass all the attention, and just left my mids and highs just basically factory. I should be ashamed of myself. But bad news, I was gonna do a install video of these, but I only have my brackets for my front speakers. I don't have the brackets for the back speakers. My front speakers are 6x9s, so I got this 6x9 bracket that goes over the other 6x9 bracket I have, so it sits perfectly sealed in the 6x9 hole. But my back speakers are 6.5s, which this is 6.5, but I don't have the spacer bracket for it, and I can't install it without the spacer bracket, or it'll be hitting some I think my window motor back there. So that won't be here for a couple of days, which sucks. Oh, and let me add something else. Alphard Audio / Bonce has like the biggest selection of mids and highs I ever seen, especially when it comes to mids. I mean, their selection is like crazy. So if you're looking for some mids or some highs from Bonce, they have plenty of options for you. Plenty.